The role of dreams in spiritual guidance. Dreams have fascinated humans for centuries, but did you know they can also be spiritual messages? Whether symbolic or intuitive, your dreams may hold clues about your purpose and path. Let's dive into how you can use dreams as spiritual guidance. Dreams aren't just random, they're your subconscious and spirit communicating with you. Here's how to work with them. 1. Keep a dream journal. Place a notebook by your bed. Write down your dreams as soon as you wake up, even if they seem unclear. Over time, patterns and messages will emerge. 2. Look for symbols. Dreams often speak in symbols. Water may represent emotions, while a road might signify your life path. Reflect on what these symbols mean to you personally. 3. Ask for guidance before sleep. Before bed, set an intention. Say, "Show me guidance for my question." Trust that your spirit will answer through your dreams. Dreams are bridges between your conscious mind and your spiritual self. Pay attention, they might just lead you to the answers you've been seeking.